Okay, okay. Here. Okay, here. Fred gave these to you. Fred sent those to you. No?
That's book.
Who is that?
That's book.
Yes, it is. Who is that?
That's Nemo.
Yes, it is.
Nemo story.
A Nemo story.
Hey, look, Kai.
What else is in there?
This.
How neat.
What's that?
Can you hold it up? Well, what else is in the box, honey?
It's Nemo.
Is it Nemo? I don't think that's Nemo.
It's Nemo.
Is it? Oh, it does look like Nemo. Well, what else is in there?
My box. Let's dump it.
Okay, you can dump it. Wow. How fun is that?
Look at the O. O is the octopus.
Yay!
Nemo and Marlin live in the ocean.
What's that? Look, Mommy.
Well, hold it up so I can see it. Can you hold up your book?
These are all Disney.
What a great gift. Can you say thank you to Fred?
Say thank you, Fred. Say thank you, Fred.
Thank you, Fred.
That was very
Very good.
nice.